Hello, welcome to Spanish with Marby. Today we will be learning about numbers in Spanish, or los números en español.
Now, before you panic, I promise, Spanish numbers are just like a puzzle. Once I teach you the basic pieces, you can build any number instantly. Are you ready?
First, we need our foundation blocks. Repeat these first 10 digits after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfecto! Next up, the teens. Numbers 11 through 15 are what I call the rebels because they have their own unique names ending in se. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, from 16 to 19, our first pattern starts. You just combine 10 and 10 with the single digit. Repeat after me. 16, 17, 18, 19. ¿Todo bien? Everything good? Great. Let's move to the 20s. 20 is 20. To say 21, 22, or 23, here is your trick. Drop the E at the end, add an I, and attach the number. Let's look at the formula for 21. 20, remove the E, and add I and the single digit. 1, it will become 21. See how that works? It becomes one single word. Let's finish the 20s from 21 to 29. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. From 30 to 99, we use the golden formula. The numbers stop smashing together into one single word like they did in the 20s. Instead, you use 3 separate words: the tens, the letter Y, which means and the single digit. Let's look at the 30s to see exactly how this works. 30 is 30. To count up, just add Y and your single digit. For example, 31 will be 30 plus Y plus 1, which is 31. Now let's do the rest from 31 to 39. Listen and repeat after me. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Muy bien! See how easy that is? 3 separate words every single time. Now, here is the best part. From 40 all the way to 99, it uses this exact same rule. You just swap out the tens word. Let's learn the rest of the tens from 40 to 90. 40, 50, 60, 70. Now, be very careful with 60 and 70 because they sound super similar. Watch your pronunciation there. 80, 90. Are you starting to see the pattern? Let's test it out to make sure you've got the hang of it. How do we say 65? 60 is 60 and is y. 5 is 5. 65. If you said 65, you nailed it. let's try one more. How about 82? 80 is 80 and is y. 2 is dos. 82. Perfecto.
Now we hit exactly 100, which is 100. But pay close attention because here is the rule of 100s. If the number is exactly 100, you say 100. But the second you add anything after it, even just a 1, the word stretches and becomes ciento. Let's look at the formula for 101. Ciento plus uno will be 101. Did you notice something missing in that formula? There is no E between the 100 and the next number. It's not 101, just 101. 102, 103, etc. This rule follows from 101, 101, to 199, 199.
To keep counting up to 200, 300, and 400, we use a new block. We just take our single digits and glue the word cientos right to the end. Check out the formula. Dos plus cientos will be doscientos. Applying the formula, now let's try from 200 to 900. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Are you following along? Great. But watch out for these 3 special that break the spelling rules. Lock those 3 in your memory. 500 isn't 500, it's 500. Notice it uses quin instead of cinco. 700 becomes 700. Notice it drops the I from siete. And 900 becomes 900. Notice the ue from nueve changes to an O. Let's build a big one to see how smart you are. Try to build 435. Think of your blocks. 400, 30, and 5. 400 plus 30 plus y plus 5 will be 435. Excelente! You're doing it! We made it to the big leagues. 1,000 in Spanish is simply mil. Here is a huge mistake beginners make, so listen closely. In English, we say 1,000. In Spanish, you never say un mil. It is just mil. To build bigger thousands, you just drop the number in front of mil. Look at the formula for 2,000. Dos plus mil will be 2,000. Doing the same pattern, 10,000 will be 10,000, 100,000 will be 100,000, and 500,000 will be 500,000. And finally, we reach 1 million. With thousands, I told you to never say un mil. But millions are the opposite. For 1 million, you must use the word one. It is un millón. 1 million will be un millón, 2 million will be 2 millones, and 5 million will be 5 millones. Did you notice that? For anything more than 1 million, it will be millones. You just drop the accent mark, add es, and it becomes plural. Now, let's connect all our blocks together to build a massive real-world number. How do we say 1,500,000? We take our million block and we add our 500,000 block. It will be 1,500,000. You see? It's literally just snapping Lego pieces together. Felicidades! You now have the ultimate cheat codes to build any number in the Spanish language. Now it's time for today's challenge. I want you to translate this number and write it in the comments below. 6,345,267. I will be checking the comments to see who gets it right.
Excelente! You did great today. Practice makes perfect. So repeat this video as much as you need. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. See you soon!
Learn Spanish with Marv.